Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So few days ago I did a community post and I asked you guys what videos you want to see. Top 5 foundation, top 5 nude lipstick, top 5 concealers, top 5 eyeshadow palette. A lot of you guys voted for eyeshadow, foundation and lipstick. So here I am today. I will share my favorite eyeshadow palettes of 2020. So let's begin. So this is something very beautiful and amazing. So this is the Tan Beauty palette. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette, and I think this is actually All You Need eyeshadow palette. Look at the shades, you guys, so amazing. There are neutrals, there are bright shades, there are browns, pinks right there, and so beautiful. Let me just quickly swatch some of the shades. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. The pigmentation, the blending, I mean, amazing. Shade range also my favorite. Now let me just quickly swatch few shades which I love. This is my favorite shade. Then let's swatch this one which I regularly use, and then let's swatch this one and the matte black one. Okay, so here are the 4 shades. Let me swatch it here. Oh my god, so creamy, so very pigmented, as you can see. And I think this palette is definitely worth it. I mean, this palette is for all the makeup artists and the makeup lovers out there. If you are also starting with makeup like a beginner, you can also buy this. This palette is not affordable, I would say, but I think the formula and the blending, the shades, pigmentation, it's all worth it. So I'm definitely loving this palette so much. This is one of the favorite palettes out there, I would say, and it definitely compares to Morphe for me. So I hope Tan Beauty comes with more products in 2021, and I hope there is more eyeshadows, blushes, highlighters, because their formula is beautiful. Alright, next is this palette by Cuffs and Lashes. This is That's So Me eyeshadow palette. It has 32 colors inside this, and here is the palette. As you can see, it is a colorful palette. It is a made in India palette, and it is from TAKECARE, and love it. I know there are few shades which are not up to the mark, but she has come up with a different formula this time, and I think that is definitely worth it. Now these are very affordable, you guys, and also there's a sale going on, so definitely grab it. And let me just quickly swatch it. I have a review of this on my channel. Go ahead and check it out. I know a lot of people say they are chalky. I know the previous palette was a little chalky, but the recent one, the formula has been changed, and that is marvelous. So let me just quickly swatch this hot pink, this purple, this green, and which one should I? And let's swatch this. So here are the shades. Let's swatch it right here. They blend really well, and the color payoff, I think, from an Indian brand, it is amazing. So I would say definitely go ahead and grab this palette, or you can grab their You Make Me Blush Contour and Highlighter palette. It has eyeshadows, it also has blush, contour and highlighter shade. So you can grab this palette as well. I am going to mention both the links down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Okay, next up I have this Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, and this is the 35 color eyeshadow palette, you guys. These palettes are bomb.com. These retails for rupees, I think, 2100 to 2500, something like that. And coming to the pigmentation, you want to see magic. Let me just show you some magic. One swipe, this one, let's swatch the orange one. Looks tempting. These are extremely pigmented, very nice color payoff, and also it blends like a magic. You can see that orange shade, it's like popping out there, and these palettes are so good. You can see there are so many shades starting from neutrals, smoky, there is shimmers, metallic shades, a lot more. This is the shade 02 actually. I would recommend this to you, but if you need more colors, you can try this palette as well, which has blue, green, yellow, pinks, browns and a lot of shimmers. This is 03 by the way. They also have few more shades from this particular range. You can check them out. Otherwise, they have different eyeshadow palettes. I think you should definitely have a Forever 52 eyeshadow palette because the pigmentation and the blending is amazing. Coming to the next palette, and that is the NIKKA eyeshadow palette. I am actually wearing Poison Apple on my eye, and I have two more which are my favorite. This is Autumn Spice and this is Birthday Cake. Now you can grab NIKKA eyeshadow palettes from Purple, from Hawk Makeup and NIKKA. So I totally love it. Let me just quickly swatch this for you guys. So let's swatch this shade from this palette, this two, and let's swatch this Birthday Cake. Let's swatch the blue one and this one, the matte one. Here are the shades, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See the pigmentation. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, these are affordable. These are like, you can blend them very nicely, but you will see a lot of fallouts with these palettes, okay? But the shade range they have is beautiful, so you can grab any one you want. I think NIKKA has 50% off on this, so you can check it out. Coming to the last eyeshadow palettes which I liked this year, that is the NIKKA eyeshadow palettes. Now these are the affordable ones, $5.99. They also came up with the expensive ones, the $1,499 one. I didn't like it, honestly I didn't like it, but these are something very, very different, very, very unique, and I absolutely loved it. Now let me just quickly swatch 2 or 3 shades. Let's swatch this one from this palette. So this is Beachside Peach, and this is Tinsel Twilight, and let me just quickly swatch this one and this one. So here are the swatches. You can see very, very nice, blends amazingly, color payoff is amazing, and also comes with 6 different shade variant, so you can choose according to your preference. So they have a nice formula, they blend really well, and if you are a beginner, I think you can definitely grab this. Alright you guys, those are the 5 eyeshadow palettes which I liked in 2020. There are a lot more eyeshadow palettes, but I was thinking of doing it more affordable wise and more, you know, you can get it from anywhere. Because I have lots of palette which I have tried, most of them are very expensive. They range from 4,000 to 5,000. I thought let's not show it to you guys because mostly you guys prefer affordable and drugstore. So that is why these are the 5 products I am going to recommend you. So please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up before going to 2021. So hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.